Pea. How'd you get on the roof? You are pretty smart. She's on the roof of the lanai. Outside. Yep, there she goes. Walking across the screen. There she is. Sweet Pea. Oh, Sweet Pea. Hello. Yes, you're on top of me. I'm looking straight up. And there's a kitty cat. It's like MGM.